Right, this is footage directly opposite Eastbourne Pier. Sunrise. And good morning, herringos. Share that angle over there. Yeah, can't get right over. The other angle is in the other retail, so but that's brilliant. Directly opposite there. That's it, right opposite the pier and the Pier Hotel. Highly recommended. That bed was extremely comfortable, but too much luxury for me. Used to a caravan now, not a house. Anyway, let's have a look out this way. Great outdoors, I love. I've got 5 minutes 45, so we'll capture as much as we can and then I'll go back to the pier. But that way is looking out towards Beachy Head, which you can't see at all, basically, from this angle. It's from the pier up there, over there. Bye bye, bride and bus. First one out of the morning, it's 6:23 a.m. here. Now let's go back to the pier because we've got, as I said, 5 minutes 45. We're already in 3:18. I can't get a full angle of that. Very quickly, the lights have just come back on. Look. Let's go back to the pier. Arc to you too. Arc. Good morning, birds. in a different location. Let's quickly go back that way. They'll be leaving soon to go work, so 2.5 hours that way. Good Wednesday. See ya.